Welcome back. My name is David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add columns to your data frame. So let us begin. So let's import pandas as pd. And once we have pandas there, let's create a very simple data frame. And inside this data frame, we're going to just start with one column, and we'll call it column A. And we'll give it 3 values. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here we go. Column A, 3 values, very basic. And let's say I wanted to add a second column. Let's say we wanted to add a new column, and we'll call it column B. So the syntax is your data frame variable, you open and close your brackets, and inside you put in a string the name of your column. And then let's say we wanted to put 5 here. Now, what's this gonna do? Let's find out. So what happens is you created a new column called B, and it propagated the number 5 to all of the rows in your data frame. All right. Let's do one more. So let's say you wanted to add column A and B and add it to a third column. We'll call it column C. So we're gonna create a new column C, and then in order to add column A and B, you could just do this. Just reference column A and reference column B, and just add a little plus sign in between them. And when you print it out, voila, now you have column C, which is the sum of column A and column B.